Kirti. I'm so glad that you guys are back to my show. To all those who are new to my channel, a big warm welcome to all of you all. I'm back with a super fun-filled episode just for you guys. Let me tell you all one thing. I just simply love eating. I can keep hogging all day long, and one of my favorite dishes, wherever I go, in whichever restaurant I go, I always tend to order that one dish, and that's nothing but butter chicken. So guys, since today I was making butter chicken at home, I thought why not show you all a simple video on how you can make your own homemade butter chicken. If you guys love butter chicken, this is going to be a great treat for both of us. So guys, without wasting much time, let's head straight to my kitchen where I shall show you how to make the best butter chicken in the whole wide world. So come on. So guys, our homemade butter chicken is ready to eat. It's looking so delicious. I just can't wait to dig into this amazing butter chicken. I've garnished with a lot of coriander since I love coriander, and I'm sure that this is tasting so good. I really can't even talk to you all because my mouth is watering. So without wasting much time, let me just take a bite so I can tell you all how amazing it's become. So guys, here's the final result time. So I'm going to give you all an honest review about how it's become. And so it's a bit sweetish because of a lot of onions that I've put, and it's so yummy. I just can't believe I've actually made this, and it's so yum. There's so much of butter. I can actually feel butter when I'm having it, and it's going to taste amazing with chapati as of now, but I would love having naan with this. So guys, I really hope that you all try out the simple homemade butter chicken recipe, which is so simple and it's so easy. You can actually make it in less than 20 minutes at home. I hope you guys have an amazing and a blessed week ahead. If you guys have liked this video, don't forget to hit on the like button, and also to share it with all your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Until we meet next, always be beautiful and keep smiling.